Hello, today we will guide you through how to align text in CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer and make sure your project is ready. If you already have footage on the timeline, that's perfectly fine, but this process also works in a blank project. The goal here is simply to add a text layer and then adjust how that text is aligned so it looks the way you want on screen. Once CapCut is open, look at the top of the interface and click on Text. This section gives you access to all of CapCut's text tools, including presets, formatting options, and manual text editing controls. If you're new to the layout, take a moment to notice where the preview window and editing panels are, since you'll be switching between them as you work. Next, click on the default text plus sign to add a text box to your project. This will place a basic text layer onto the timeline and usually also make it visible in the preview window. This default text is useful because it gives you something immediate to edit and format without needing to build anything from scratch. After that, enter your sample text. You can type anything you want here, whether it's a title, caption, or placeholder text for testing. It's often helpful to use a few words or even a full sentence so you can clearly see how the alignment changes affect the look of the text, especially if it wraps onto multiple lines. Now move your attention to the top right area and look for the Basic section. This is where many of the core text formatting controls are located. Depending on your window size or panel arrangement, you may need to click on the text layer first to make sure these settings appear. If you don't see the options right away, just confirm that your text is selected. Inside the Basic section, find Alignment. This is the setting that controls how the text is arranged within the text box. From there, select the alignment you want to use. For example, you may choose left alignment, center alignment, or right alignment, depending on the style you're going for. As you click through the available options, watch the preview window so you can immediately see the result. That's all it takes to align text in CapCut on PC. If the text doesn't look quite right at first, you can continue adjusting it until it matches your layout. Small formatting changes can make a big difference, so it's worth previewing the final look before moving on.